Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about the whole idea of doing YouTube as a side hustle or a side gig. Now, I think for the majority of people who are doing YouTube or who are thinking about YouTube would dream of having YouTube being their main source of income. This is what they do. You know, they could be a full-time YouTuber and it makes enough money to pay for all their living costs and take care of their family. I think that is the ideal solution that most people want. But the reality is YouTube is a business, and like with most businesses, it's going to take you a long time to build it up to where it'll actually make enough money for the long term to actually take care of you and your family and anything else that you want to do. Because I think for most people, if they're thinking about how much money would I need, I think for most people, $5,000 per month would be, I guess, the initial number that would be good for the majority of people, at least here in the United States. But in order to get that, if you were to do it on YouTube and you do it primarily through ads, which most people do at the beginning, then you're going to need millions of views. You're going to need to sustain that. And it also depends on what category your channel's in, the amount of people that watch your actual videos, and there's so many other factors if you're primarily depending on views. And even if you do it as a business, meaning that you don't depend just on ads, that also takes time to build because you don't have an audience. And I think for the majority of people, most people have never done YouTube before, nor have they actually done anything entrepreneurial. Now, I think for people who already have business experience, it's a lot easier for them to, generate income off of YouTube. So with all of that being said, I like the whole side hustle, side gig approach. So just think of it this way. Just think of YouTube as a part-time job to go along with your full-time gig, whether that is a full-time job, whether you have a business already, or maybe you're just freelancing. I think that's how you should approach it. But unlike a part-time job, you actually have control over it. You can actually grow it. And over time, once that starts generating consistent income and it starts making more money than your full-time gig, then I think you should consider actually doing YouTube as a full-time business at that point. So that's kind of the approach that I take. I myself, I do not like to put all my eggs in one basket, especially with something that I don't control, like YouTube. You don't control this platform. And so I actually do a variety of things, and I really focus on skills. And so that's why I talk so much about content creation, digital marketing, especially the digital marketing portion, because that's actually a skill that's valuable across almost any particular field or segment. And then the whole skill of creating content, that is very powerful, and it works along with digital marketing. And so those are my thoughts on doing YouTube as a side hustle or side gig. If you are thinking about doing YouTube, I would not go in with the approach that you're going to do this full time and make money right away. Although there are a few exceptions to that rule, I would kind of look at it as a long-term thing and then build and grow and learn as you go. So if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of this, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.